welcome to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. In this video I'm gonna try very quickly with you. It's kind of a not first time demo, but it's the second time actually. Try the Rushbrush hair straightener brush, like brush hot brush. It's S2. So this is the color that I got. Actually I ordered a black one and I got purple, but anyway, looks beautiful too. But this is the packaging of it. It's S2. Okay, the difference between S2 and S3, I guess, because I asked the company. This one have this silicone like round, like a bubble thing over the brush that will help to get into as close as to the roots without burning your scalp, because it gets really hot. So I use this one in this video in the highest degree, which is 2030 Celsius, because I tried it last time like in 220 and it wasn't that effective, so I raised it to 230 and it was so hot. But on my hair it wasn't that hot as I used my hair straightener. Okay, so why I got this one, I just wanted to reduce the heat that I use over my hair, but in the same time I have a really like crazy kind of a curly hair. It's not very curly now, but it's more that wavy hair, but it's really frizzy. I can go out with my normal hair without using any heat to it. And I use a keratin treatment, but it doesn't help me that much. It's just to wash out from my hair like very quickly. And I don't want to use a keratin treatment now again. The current treatment or the protein treatment that I have on my hair just almost gone. But I have a little bit of the ends of my hair, but especially over the roots it's completely gone, and I have a new hair of course, so I need to have more manageable hair. Looks beautiful like a natural, but in the same time that I don't use a lot of hair over it. So this brush really helps to do this thing. Of course I'm gonna experience it more with more use because it's still in the trial process. So I did my hair for only less than 10 minutes. I usually do my hair with the hair straightener from 30 to 40 minutes if I have a longer hair. So let's say it's 30 minutes, so half an hour. So with this one, actually it was 8 and 40 minutes. So almost 9 minutes. You're gonna see in a minute. I will show you the whole process. I have a time watch to see the actual time from beginning to end. It's only less than 10 minutes. I was so amazed. The first time I used it, I didn't set the watch, like a stopwatch, to know how much time that I spend doing my hair. But actually it's amazing to do my hair only 10 minutes, because usually I told you from 30 to 40 minutes, and it's a lot of heat because the hair straightener just like hold your hair in like in between the two plates to make your hair straight and sleek. So of course, as you can see, my hair looks like it's a blow dried, not like doing with the hair straightener, but at the same time still look natural and straight. So for me, I can go out like this because I'm trying my best to grow my hair back. As you see, my hair, it's not in the perfect shape right now. After the vaccination, it's completely destroyed. It's a long story. I don't want to talk about it in this video, but if you want to see about it and what I'm doing, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to talk about my hair journey after the vaccination. I know a lot of people suffer from this too. So let's stop flopping and let's go to the actual video showing you everything. I'm not an expert. It's my second time, so I'm completely new to it, but I'm showing you how I do. Actually, I brushed my hair with it, so it's kind of a brushing video, but with a hot brush. So I'm gonna see you at the end of the video. Stay tuned to the end.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I like to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love, don't be a stranger. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I've learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, your fingers on me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my
blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Men against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead.
So as you saw, it's pretty easy, and at the same time it saved a lot of time for me, especially in hot weather, because here in Egypt it's really hot and I get so hot so quickly. If I go out to buy something and come back, I feel like super hot and my scalp is completely wet with sweat, and sometimes I feel a little bit crazy to stand this like wetness around my roots. So I just jump into the shower and wash my hair. So doing like styling my hair every time I wash my hair, sometimes I can't stand it. I just wash my hair like 2 days in a row. It's so crazy. If I go out in the summer, it's like a nightmare for me. Right now I don't want to use a lot of heat, like a massive heat over my hair, as I told you, because I'm really trying to save my hair and try my best to grow my hair back and make it healthier again. So I just wanted to try this brush to see if it really helps to reduce the heat, because it's really gentle on the hair, like it's gentler than the hair straightener, of course. And I didn't see from these 2 times using it over my hair, I didn't see a lot of fallout, which is perfectly good, and it did my hair in a really nice way. It looks so beautiful and so natural, so I can go out like this. So with the 2 and 30 degrees Celsius, it's still not very hot over my hair. I can touch my hair with this temperature. Comparing if I use the same temperature with the hair straightener, I will never be able to touch my hair. It will be super hot, because like the hair straightener really make my hair so sleek and so perfect. But I don't want to like style every single day, every couple of days. At this point, I'm trying my best to grow my hair back. So I hope that this one will be helpful. Of course, this is kind of a quick review for so far. I love it, like the effect that it gives me. I love it. Actually, I used it the last time, and I waited for 2 days before I wash my hair again to this time. So actually, it lasts the same effect of the hair lasts for a couple of days, which is perfectly good, because I saw many videos that saying it doesn't last to the second day. But for me, actually, it lasts for another 2 days, which is good. Like I didn't like rebrush my hair after I did it without washing it. So yeah, so far I guess it's a good investment for me, and I really hope it will help my hair to be better using heat over my hair, and at the same time saving my hair from using a lot of heat, and looks beautiful too. So until the winter comes, because I'm kind of a winter club lover. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. Of course, I'm gonna make another like in-depth review later on, after a couple of months or something, after using this brush like a lot, to tell you if it really worth it or not, if it's recommended or not, and if I like it or not. But so far I like it so far. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.
Sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I.